Hey guys, thanks for coming to Dee's World. So today, you guys, as I talked about in my intro, I'm going to show you guys how I take care of my braids. These are what you call individual braids, and believe it or not, you guys, I do them myself. I'm so talented, right? I'm just talented in everything that I do. They have hair at the bottom. As you can see, I don't braid it all the way down. I have to have a little, color flowing through there. So I'm going to show you guys what I do to keep my braids looking nice. And is the camera good for you? So I'm going to show you guys what I do to make my braids look nice and keep them looking really nice and healthy, okay? And you won't believe what I do, okay? So again, y'all know how I am. I love using natural ingredients and things of that nature, so we're going to get into all of that. Okay, I'm going to give you guys some little tips and stuff too. So as I stated in my intro, I've been wearing braids for years. In high school, you guys, I literally wore braids all through high school. I would never wear my regular hair in high school. I would take my braids out during the summer, go swimming, and just let my hair feel free. My hair was just super long because I always kept it in braids, because it's a protective hairstyle, of course. And so I remember leaving out of high school, I stopped wearing braids for a while. I was just wearing my regular hair, but I ended up damaging it. I kept going to the salon, getting relaxers, and putting a lot of heat on my hair and all of that stuff, and it started to break my hair off. So I say maybe a couple of years ago, maybe 5, 6, 7 years ago. Well, I say 4 years ago, I went back to wearing braids because I wanted my hair to start back. Because my hair did grow back after I had kids. It broke off right after high school, but then because I was going to the salon back to back, putting all these relaxers in, and then after I had children, moms, when you take those prenatal vitamins and all that stuff, it helps your hair to grow and become very healthy. So my hair it started to grow longer. So my hair was like here. I was excited. I'm like, oh my God, it's growing, it's getting healthier. But then it just started to break off again. I started developing those old habits, putting those relaxers in my hair, lots of heat, trying to keep it straight and all of that stuff, and it just wasn't doing me any good. So I'm like, you know what? It wasn't doing my hair any good. So I said, you know what? It's time for braids again. So I put braids back in my hair, and my hair is just growing because I keep it protected. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the things I do to keep my scalp, to keep my hair healthy while it's in the braids, okay? Okay guys, so before I start talking to you guys about what I do to keep my braids, nice and healthy, first of all, you can wash your braids. It was this huge myth going around for years. I remember growing up that you cannot wash your braids. You can. Even if it's not human hair, you can still wash your braids, okay? So you get in the shower and you wash your braids. Now, this is a great tip. Wash your braids, you guys, if you have braids or thinking about getting your braids. I wash my braids when my hair is starting to get old. And what I mean by old, I'm saying like my hair is starting to, you can see how much my hair is growing, and the braids are starting to come more off of the scalp area. So that's when you want to start washing your braids. When I first get my braids, I don't wash them when I first get them, because I just don't. To me, it makes the braids become older quicker. So I just wait until time goes on, and and then I say, you know what, it's time to wash them. So I'll wash them maybe once a week. I don't think that's not much to ask to wash braids. I'm gonna do a separate video on it, but I start at the scalp, really gently, and then I work my way on the way down to the tip area here, and then I get out the shower and I dry it off just like I would do my regular hair. All right, so you guys, this right here is a regular spray bottle that I got from a store, but it's hard plastic. It's not that cheap plastic that you'll get from any store. And why I did that is because I don't want any cracks in this. I don't want anything to leak. But you guys, this is olive oil, okay? This is natural olive oil. You can get it from your farmer's market, you can get it from your grocery store, whatever. This is natural olive oil, and I put it in a spray bottle like this, okay? And I just make sure I spray right. So it has olive oil in here, you guys. You can see in the thing. Olive oil is really great for the hair, okay? Perfect for your hair. You know, and so what I do is I put the olive oil in my scalp, okay? So what I do is I just lift my braids up there and I spray, okay? And I make sure I spray on the scalp. Oh, believe me, you can feel it, okay? So you're not going to say, oh, am I missing anything? You can be able to feel, you know. So I highly suggest you do like this, or you can just put it on your scalp and just spray, and it'll just, right here is the Mael leave-in conditioner. You guys, this Mael leave-in conditioner is so amazing. I just took the top off, so has a gold top to it. But this Mael leave-in conditioner is amazing. I use it on Alexander's hair. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you click on it. It's called what video was that? Giving my toddler a shower. You'll see the video with me using the Mael leave-in conditioner for his hair. It works on his hair, it works on my girl's hair, it works on my son Adam's hair. You know, it is really good, and it works for my husband's hair too, but he doesn't have any hair on his head, but I'm pretty sure it'll work on his head too. But anyway, so I'm going to put just a little bit. I always take the top off because I don't get enough with the top. Anybody else had that problem? Maybe I'm not opening it all the way or something. I don't know. But I get this much here, you guys. And so what I do is I put it on my hair like that. And you guys, this stuff smells so good. It smells so good. My husband was like, oh my God, what does that smell? And I was like, it's my leave-in conditioner. So, you know, and it conditions the hair and it smells so good, okay? So after that, I go back to the olive oil spray here, and I spray it in my hand like that, and I rub it, and I go like this on my hair. See? Like that. So that gives it, y'all can see, it gives it a nice little shine. See there? Gives it a nice little, it gives it a nice little shine up there. Okay? Then you can see the back as well. You can see the back. Okay, so this really works. All right, guys, so that's all I do for my braids. As far as like wrapping it up at night, I just put I'm not a bonnet girl. My grandmother used to love bonnets growing up. My mom, on the other hand, she loves scarves, and so scarves was her thing. And so I think I'm more of a scarf girl too, but it's not a scarf, I forgot what you call it, but it goes this way, have like a little bow at the top. But I wear that at night, and I'll put my hair in a bun because the braids are so long. Look at them, look how long they are. Ooh. So I'll put my braids in a bun in towards the back, and then I'll cover my head like that, and then there you have it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Quiet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learning some tips on how to take care of your braids. It is very simple. I'm sorry, regular olive oil. This lasted all day long, you guys. And again, you could just go buy you some olive oil from the store. You can get it in a bottle or the box, and you pour it in here, and you just put it up in your bathroom, you know, and you use it, and it really works. And it's an awesome way to take care of your braids, okay? Okay guys, thanks for coming to Dee's World. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on how I take care of my braids. I will be doing a braid washing video as well, so make sure you guys subscribe, okay? If you love videos like this, make sure you subscribe. If you love breastfeeding videos, I do breastfeeding videos as well. I do travel vlogs. I do everything on this channel. You will never get bored over here at Dee's World, okay? I have many talents, okay? So you will never get bored. You will never know what video you're going to see next, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this hair braiding, how I take care of my braids, and I will see you guys for another video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.